Hello friends, my name is Nadeem and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will be learning why do we provide crank bar in Slab. Before that, if you like the videos I make, please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest video notification. So let us get started. On your screen, you can see a section of a typical slab, and if an external load is applied to the slab, then in this highlighted portion, the slab will bend in the downward direction due to the pressure exerted on it. This bending of slab in the downward direction in this area is known as sagging bending moment or positive bending moment. Also, the slab is supported by beams and columns. Hence, the column and beam will also exert an upward force to resist the external load applied on it. Hence, in the highlighted portion, the slab will bend in the upward direction. This upward direction is known as hogging bending moment or negative moment. To encounter these moments, we will have to provide steel at this position. The bars are bent near the support normally at an angle of 45 degrees. In the above image, you can see how the bent up bars are provided in the slab. The slab is supported at two ends. The maximum tensile stress, that is positive moment, sagging, is acting in the middle of the slab, and the maximum compressive stress, that is negative moment, hogging, is acting at both ends of the support. So bottom steel is required at the middle span and the top steel resists negative moment at the supports. A crank bar is provided to make RCC slab safe from compressive stresses. When these bars are provided, the strength and deformation capacity of slab with bent up bars is sufficiently increased compared to the slab without bent up bars. Now let us see purpose for the crank bars. Crank bars are generally provided to resist negative bending moment, that is hogging, to resist shear force, which is greater at the support, to reduce the risk of the brittle failure of slab column connection, to reduce the amount of steel used, and for the economization of the materials. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you for watching.